It was so lovely to see you for our maths session on Teams. Lots of positive feedback about multiplying your two-digit numbers by a single-digit number. So just a couple of pointers to remember. One of you really cleverly pointed out that if you are multiplying any number by 2, then all you have to do with the number is double it. And then the opposite is when you are dividing by 2, you just have to half the number. So that was a really, really good trick that you shared with me today. So thank you. I thought I would have it as a reminder in a video, just so for those of us who aren't aware of that trick, that's something that you can do the next time you multiply or divide by 2. A lot of you also were a little bit confused by the question that said 84 divided by 4. So hopefully I managed to explain a little bit better why it is 10 remainder 4 and then 10.5. Decimal numbers are different to remainder. So it is something that we will discuss later on. The main focus for maths at the moment is multiplying those double-digit numbers by a single-digit number. But I did obviously want to make sure that you weren't completely confused by that question. So I hope I made a bit more sense about the question, because it was mentioned in your arithmetic, so it is important that you understand why there's one answer that says 10 remainder 4 and then another answer that says 10.5. 10.5 is different to 10 remainder 4. That's the most important thing to remember. So both of those answers were absolutely correct. And I'm really impressed to see actually that some of you did bring it up with me, because it just shows that you were super, super engaged with your work, which is always lovely to see. And lastly, when you are multiplying big numbers, so if you have the number 35, one of you mentioned that what really helped you was to break down that bigger number. So if you have 35, breaking it down by place value, so you break it down into 3 tens, so you've got 10, 10, 10, and then the number 5. You multiply all of those by 6, and then the answers you get, you add them together to get your answer. So breaking it down into sizable, doable chunks really seemed to help. So that was really, really nice to hear, because that is one of the tricks that I would really like to see you use in your maths, because I personally think that it's very, very helpful as well. That's all from me then for your maths responsive video. I hope these sessions are helping you. As always, keep posting your work on Tapestry. I'm an email away if you need anything, and I'll see you very soon, Williams class.